the way ngibona ngakhona mhlaba, the way ngicabanga ukuthi mhlaba ungakhona is the way mhlaba adoba ngakhona kimi. Uma ngicabanga ukuthi la mhlabeni la kumatima kuyanyiwa and kumele ulwe, kwakumele ufake amandla ukuze ukuthi uphumelele ube nempilo lengcono le right, kwakumele ulwe ube nemaplani uyende izinto letinengi. Akusilula uma ngicabanga ukuthi la mhlabeni akusilula, then imhlaba uto reflecta lokho empilweni yami. Angeke kube lula vele kutoba madima for me because ngiloko longikubelivako ngemhlaba ngeuniverse ukuthi no lana akusilula, kwakumele ulwe cobo fight like anything so mhlaba uto reflecta lokho empilweni yami. So the way, the perception, the way ubona ngakhona tinto is the way tinto titoba ngakhona kuwe. Change lendlela ubona ngakhona tinto and everything iyachinja. Lento loyibukako iyachinja na uchinja lendlela uyibuka ngayo. So every thought can be justified and every perception can be justified. Ngoba if you think ukuthi la mhlabeni madima akusilula for wena and ubuka ihistory yakho kutholakala ukuthi vele tonke tinto wathola madima, like uma into uyithola lula is so good to be true, something bad is gonna happen and tinto leti bad vele tiyendeka. You have unema results, une history, you know ukuthi vele lokhu kuyendekile and then uditshela ukuthi vele kunjalo because naloko kwendeke because uditshela ukuthi kunjalo. Dinengi tinto letiyendekile timpilweni tethu letingasi right, letimbi. Dinengi kakhulu futhi tinto letiyendekile etimpilweni tethu leti right, letinhle kakhulu letisijabulisile. So wena ukhetha ufocus atukwani. Mina I choose to focus on the good and understand ukuthi la mhlabeni la kumnanzi kakhulu, kulula mhlaba wethu. We are here to live, we are here to enjoy. Lo mhlaba wami, the universe is mine, the earth, the land, lo mhlaba straight wami, moya wami, konke kusebenzisana nami, sonke si align, mhlaba, moya, mandi, ihlahla, konke kuhambisana nami. Siyavisisana konke kusebenzela mina ukuthi siyasebenzisana kahle we align, harmony, it's a dance, siyadance dansa nemhlaba. Ngiyathi nangivuka ekseni ukuthi no, everything is well, yonke into i-right because imhlaba universe God ufuna ukuthi vele ngibe right, siyasebenzisana. There's no way ukuthi ngingahlala ngahambi kahle. I'm 100% sure ukuthi lokho is real, yonke into i-right. Kumnanzi la mhlabeni la madoda, kumnanzi kakhulu. Ngiloko mina lengititshela kona, ngiloko mina lengikubelivako and ngiloko lengikuthembako and ngiloko lokwendekako kimi every day. Synchronicity, letinto leti yendekako abantu batshela ukuthi ma-coincidence, kimi akusi-coincidence. I know ukuthi mhlaba, okay, universe, okay. The way ubona ngakhona tinto is the way tinto toba ngakhona ku. How do you see money? What do you think about money? Do you think money is evil? Mali into lembi? Mali imbanze yesono? Ucabangani ngemali? Uyibuka kanjani imali? Idlalela ekseni into lekufuneka ukuthi hey uyithole madima, itholwa madima. It's hard to get money. If you think ukuthi kumadima kuthola imali, kuyoba madima kuthola imali empilweni yakho for you because you believe that. So for me, money and I are one. Money is energy. I am energy. Money is me. Ita give me when I need it. Ita give me every time ngidzinga. Nasekufuneka ngibe nemali, ngiba nemali every time. When I'm supposed to get anything that is gonna help me ascend or progress or evolve. konke kuyohlangana. Uma sekumele ngithengelele kufuneka ngikuthenge, ngiyokuthenga, imali itobe khona, imali ihlala ikhona, imali ihlala sinayo. We are rich. We are rich. So even a relationship yakho, ma relationships, everything, ucabangani, how do you look at it? Ucabanga ukuthi kuyokwendekani? Lolo hlala ucabanga utitshela kona la ngiko lolo kumanifesta-ke. Manifestation is about that. It's about being aware lolo of what you are thinking about. Lolo kufaka la ngqondweni yakho is either positive or negative. And it's easy ukuthi kugcwaliswe i-negativity enhloko because kulula kukhala, kulula kuba i-victim. But that's the wrong things of doing things. Let's change the way you see yourself. You are not a failure. You are not a mistake. Because of you, yovuka ingqumbi yabantu. Because of you, yositeka bantu labaningi. So, hey, you were meant to be. You were meant to be. And you are being that. Thank you. Change the way you see things and the things will change for you.